Hello and welcome to a video looking at rearranging equations. First we'll look at addition and subtraction. So let's say for example we had 3a plus 2 equals 2b. Now what we would want to do here is subtract 3a from both sides. I'm just going to write out a little bit longer version. So 3a plus 2, bit of a space there, you'll see why in a second, equals 2b. So let's subtract 3a from both sides, minus 3a. What we can do here then is we can cancel out the plus 3a and the minus 3a, so we are left with 2 is equal to 2b minus 3a. Now, when you compare it to this first equation we had, you'll see there we had a plus 3a on this side, but when it ends up on the other side, it's a minus 3a. So just remember the rule, change the side, change the sign. Now, just looking back at the previous video that we looked at satisfying equations, let's say, for example, we're given some values, and I'm making this a little bit easy for us, but just to demonstrate a point. So let's say we're given the values a equals 2 and b equals 4. Well, let's plug those in. So 2 is equal to 2 times 4 minus 3 times 2, which is 2 equals 8 minus 6. Therefore, 2 is equal to 2. And we're happy that these values here satisfy this equation. And we've also learned how to rearrange it. Let's look at multiplication and why that might be useful. So let's say we have, for example, x plus y equals u plus v, and if we were to multiply the left hand side, or the terms on the left hand side, by 2, so 2x plus 2y, would this be equal to what we originally had on the right hand side? No, it wouldn't. So that would be not equal to. What we would need to do is to make sure that we do the very same, provided it's a non-zero number, to each term on both sides, and they will still equate. Where multiplication in equations might come in handy is, let's say, for example, we had a over 3 minus 2 equal to a. Because we've got this fraction here, we might want to clear fractions because it might be easier to work without fractions. So I'm going to multiply each term on each side by 3 to clear that fraction, and it would look like this. So 3a over 3 is simply a, minus 2 multiplied by 3 is minus 6, and then 3 multiplied by a gives us 3a. In a later video, we'll look at how we solve these things, but right now we just want to learn how to multiply through by each side and why it might be useful. In this case, it was just to clear a fraction, and we might have something easier to work with now. Okay, right, well, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. And just remember that rule, whenever you change the side, you have to change the sign as well. That's a key takeaway point from this video. And I shall see you on the next one. Thank you very much.